So for today's first educational session, we have this about software introduction and installation. I have the honor of inviting Dr. Hsin-Jen Chen, who is the Deputy Director of the International Health Program and Associate Professor at the Institute of Public Health here at NYCU. He obtained his PhD degree from Johns Hopkins University, and his research interest focuses on public health nutrition and childhood obesity.
I will use a video to introduce the next session.
Hi everyone. The second part of the workshop for each day is the methodology sessions. Nowadays, many countries are collecting health data continuously to monitor the health conditions in the population, including communicable and non-communicable diseases. When there are more and more data accumulated, we may want to use the data smartly to find out how the population health is going on over time. So in the workshop today and tomorrow, we will provide the methodology sessions about the methods that we can use to study or to investigate the health data of population over time. We are going to demonstrate some examples using two free softwares. The first one is JoinPoint, which is created by the United States CDC. The demonstration of using this program software will be presented later today by our teaching assistant. The other software for use is the SAS On Demand for Academics. The SAS On Demand for Academics is an online platform of the statistical software SAS. You just need to register for an account, then you can access to the statistical packages from everywhere for free in the world, as long as you can have access to the internet. Next, I'm going to show you some basics of using the SAS On Demand for Academics so that you can register your own account and later you can play with the softwares to do the statistical examples provided in our sessions. So after you enter the SAS On Demand for Academics, you will see it front page, and by clicking this Access Now button, you can go into a login page. If you don't have a profile, SAS profile, you can register for your account, create a profile, and then you just follow the page and enter the required information, then you can proceed the application, and very quickly you can get a SAS profile account for your own. After you log in your SAS profile account, then you will see the platform like this. Because I have been using this for a while, so you can see some projects stored here. So that's why I say you can access to your previous projects from everywhere in the world as long as you have access to the internet. It will be very easily for you to do data analysis from everywhere. Okay, so for a new user, what we can do? Of course, we want to add a new project, right? So we can create a new folder for our projects. So here you can create a new folder. For example, we want to call the name of the new folder as new. So you can see a new folder of my new project here. Okay. Next, you need to have your material for analysis, right? So you want to upload some data. Here you can just by right-clicking the folder you are using to upload the files of interest. So by clicking choose files, then we can go to our computer to choose the SAS datasets of interest here. Then just upload it. Then we can see there is a file here. Okay. The apc.sas7 B data is already saved in here, somewhere in my SAS profile. When we are using the programming editor to do analysis, however, the SAS cannot recognize where this dataset is stored. For example, if we want to calculate the average mean of age in these datasets, then it is impossible right now. This data set is called ABC, so we can specify the data name here and then use the means procedure to calculate the average and some statistics of age in these data sets. If we click the run here, SAS will tell you that the data doesn't exist, but it is here. How could not the SAS find it? Because we need to designate the path of these data sets. This data set is saved somewhere in your SAS profile. So we need to find out where it is. Here we should do something very important. It is the library name, to designate a library associated with the folder, the online folder of this project new. A is a temporary name for that folder, and here we need to specify the location of the folder. Where can we find the location? We can go to the new. We right click the new folder and to look at its property, and here location is specified here. So we can copy paste this location, which indicates the folder where the data is stored. So here we need to change a little bit of the name of the data to a.abc. A is the name of library, which is designated here as A. APC is the data name, what we are going to use. So let's first run the libname. So it tells us that A is successfully assigned to this location. Okay, then we can do the analysis, and which shows the average age is 55, standard deviation, minimum and maximum in the data sets. Okay, this is a quick demo of SAS on demand for academics system. If you have been using SAS for analysis before, then you will see this pretty easy for you, because this is just an online interface of SAS, and all the programming logics and languages are totally the same. If you have not been using SAS before, this could be a good opportunity for you to build your SAS skills, because in the future you will have this online platform for you to access from everywhere for your data analytical projects. Recently, there are also quite a few YouTube clips online talking about the usages of SAS on demand for academics, so you can also Google it for more details. I hope you are interested in it and that you can start to register for a profile account. We will show you more examples using it tomorrow, so see you.